Hey guys, hope you had a fantastic week. Today I am going to prepare a simple yet ridiculously delicious green coriander chutney. The recipe bursts with flavors in each bite and has earned quite a fan following at home, and I hope you guys will love it too. Now let's check out the ingredients. Coriander leaves, green chilies, dried red chilies, garlic cloves, salt and kalijeera or kalonji. Now let's start making our chutney. Take a pan. Now add your kalijeera. Dry roast it on a low flame for a minute. Then add your garlic cloves, punctured green chilies and dried red chilies. Roast them together for 2 to 3 minutes on a medium flame. Now take a grinder, add these roasted condiments, pound them into a rough paste. Then add your salt, coriander leaves, pound them into a smooth paste. And here you go, our delicious coriander chutney is ready. Here is our chutney. The chutney is fresh, spicy and garlicky. It goes well with appetizers and even as relish with your meals. I hope you enjoyed watching this recipe video. Do give it a big thumbs up and see you soon.